India's most iconic water bodies, Ulsoor Lake is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Officials have begun draining the 16th century lake as part of a long-awaited restoration project. The distilling work, which started in February 2026, is backed by a 4 crore grant. The aim is to remove accumulated silt, waste and pollution that have choked the 123-acre lake over decades. By clearing the bed, authorities hope to restore its storage capacity and improve water quality before the monsoon rains refill it. Ulsoor Lake has scenic spot, boating, walking, relaxation, but like many of the Bengaluru lakes, it has suffered from the urbanization. This project is seen as a reset, a chance to revive the lake's ecological balance and beauty. And this is only the beginning. The larger 100 crore upgrade is planned, which will add walkways, public amenities and recreational spaces, turning the lake into the vibrant hub for residents and the visitors alike.